How to recover your Acorns username. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Acorns website. Here, press on Login at the top right corner of your screen. After you have clicked on Login at the top right corner of your screen, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply click on Forgot Password at the bottom. After you've clicked on Forgot Password, enter your email. After you've entered your email, press on Send Email at the bottom. After you click on Send Email, email will be sent. You'll find all the reset process there. It may show you to change your username as well, or if you press on Login, it may change your username. And if it's not showing, you can simply contact Acorns by emailing them or calling the number 855-739-2859. And this is how to recover your Acorns username. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.